Thanks for logging on to the Severe Weather Team blog. I'm Tony Martin. Time to check out the Model Explainer segment, and we're going to go through time here with the GFS model. Check out the upper levels of the atmosphere first, and as we go throughout time on Monday afternoon, we'll be watching moisture from what's left over of Ike work its way off towards the north and east, and combining with that a cold front by this time working through parts of the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, pressing its way southeastward. So it looks like copious moisture flooding up into Pennsylvania out ahead of that front from Monday afternoon. By Tuesday, that front sweeping off the eastern seaboard. In behind it, a pretty brisk northwesterly wind coming in, and that will cool us off and dry us out, it looks like, for Tuesday and Wednesday. Nighttime lows getting well down into the 40s. Wouldn't be surprised to see some 30s coming in across the area again Tuesday and also Wednesday mornings. By Wednesday afternoon, the flow begins to flatten out just a bit. The 582 height contour lifts up into parts of New York State, and that will allow seasonable air to come back into Pennsylvania. It looks like for Wednesday afternoon, also rather dry. You see no influx of moisture coming in out of the Gulf of Mexico all the way through the middle part of the week. So here's a look at precipitation for Monday. Like I said, copious amounts of rain surging northeastward. It looks like we will see a round of showers and storms later Monday night. By Tuesday, that rain is offshore. In its wake, a drier northwesterly wind coming in, like I said, over the Great Lakes as high pressure sets up shop across the middle of the country. It will be a cold high. Also, you notice that blue line, that's the 0 degree line at 3,000 feet up in the parts of northern New York State by Tuesday afternoon. So we're getting closer to that time of year where the colder air begins to push into the area, but not quite yet. We still have some warm temperatures to talk about. Like I said, we start to warm things back up by Wednesday afternoon. High pressure moving over towards the eastern seaboard. And by Thursday, that high is sitting across the southern U.S., and that will return us to a southwesterly wind flow and warm us up nicely by the time we get to the second half of the week.